Welcome to MBBS Council. We are glad to inform you that you have chosen the right NEET counseling tool by choosing MBBS Council app. It provides all the necessary information you need to know about medical colleges, courses, counseling procedure, and much more. Our journey begins starting from today, and our service will last till you get the allotment order. Shall we begin? In this short video, I will introduce 4 types of services we provide. You can choose any one of these depending on your need. Before moving on, I would like to reassure that you are in safe hands for NEET admission counseling. We have helped more than 1 lakh parents and students across 20 states for the past 4 years to get medical course admission through NEET counseling. The first level is free information services. This service is designed for students who are planning to study only in government colleges and provides free treatment during their practice. Free services allow students to see 5 government college fee details or cut-off details per day. After exhausting the daily quota, they need to wait for 1 day to access another 5 details, and so on. You might wonder, what about students who are not planning to provide free treatment? They can also use the app to get free counseling notification updates as well as deadline reminders and see 5 colleges or cut-off details daily. 80% of details available in this app are taken from the official counseling websites such as MCC and respective state counseling authority websites. Students who are not interested in paying for MBBS counsel services can refer the official counseling websites to get these details. It may take 3 months of time and effort, but students need not pay to get college details. What if you are a parent and looking for guidance? Kindly proceed with this video to know more about our services. If you are a student looking only for free service, skip this video and start using the free services available in this app. Let us move on to other services offered by MBBS Council. The second level is data analysis service. In this data analysis service, the daily quota is increased from 5 to 200 per day. You will get access to many counseling tools. Rank predictor to predict all India rank based on your score. Course predictor to predict PG courses based on your NEET all India rank. College predictor to predict colleges based on your state rank. College ranker to rank colleges based on quality factors such as courses, beds, patients, etc. College filter to filter colleges based on fees, location, patients, etc. And much more. You can take gold subscription if you are looking only for government colleges. Or you can take platinum subscription if you are looking for both government and private colleges. The third level is mentoring service. This service is designed mainly for parents looking for a mentor who can coach them in learning the counseling process for all India counseling as well as state counseling. You will get assistance to clarify counseling doubts in order to get the best medical college for your NEET rank within your budget. You can take diamond subscription if you are looking only for government colleges. Or you can take emerald subscription if you are looking for both government and private colleges. The fourth level is consulting service. This service is designed for parents who are looking for a trusted medical education counselor who will take care of the counseling on their behalf. We can provide consulting services only for a few parents. Talk to your state counselor by clicking the WhatsApp button on the home screen to see if there are any slots available. We are happy to help you during this year's NEET counseling. Let us begin our journey.